Hey there, really quick. I just wanted to give you as much information as possible and invite you to the private open house. It is a beautiful open house, new construction. We want to show you how it's really affordable between both the sales agent, the lender, and I. We have so much in store for you. It's just a couple of hours. Just come and learn, come and grow right here. At 2117 Blossom Trail in the reserves at the park, right off of Mechanicsville, on Saturday, September the 7th at 11 a.m. You are going to get to strengthen yourself, get to strengthen your buying power. It's your beginning. Don't, cancel yourself out before then. I would love to have you show up just to be able to gather information. It's about finding value in what we're offering when it comes to being able to help you build wealth. Um, yeah, so these are some beautiful pictures of the place and our formula. Let's see, we just want you to be able to show you the possibilities of what you can afford instead of you believing that you can and canceling yourself out. It's easy, it's affordable. There are so many grants and loans that's being offered. We want to be able to share that with you. All right. Well, again, here it's going to be at the reserve at Springdale Park, and we are going to be your representatives. So come in, come chat, come learn, come gather some information. If it's not this house, then it can be the next. But we still want to get you on a game plan. So come out and share, and we'll look forward to hearing with you. Thank you, and have a blessed day.